Why are there not more people talking about these must-have Indian stocks? The Indian stock market is one of the fastest growing markets in the world, yet many investors overlook some of its most promising opportunities. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 Indian stocks that you absolutely need to know about. These stocks have shown remarkable resilience and growth potential, making them essential additions to any savvy investor's portfolio. Get ready to uncover some hidden gems. These stocks are not just about numbers. They represent companies that are driving innovation, growth, and change in various sectors. From energy to technology and banking to consumer goods, these companies are at the forefront of India's economic transformation. First up, we have Reliance Industries. This conglomerate is a behemoth in the Indian market, with interests spanning across energy, petrochemicals, textiles, natural resources, retail, and telecommunications. Reliance Industries has been a pioneer in many sectors, and its recent foray into digital services with Jio has revolutionized the telecom industry in India. The company's ability to diversify and innovate makes it a must-have in any investment portfolio. This giant is a powerhouse in energy, retail, and digital services. Its retail arm, Reliance Retail, is one of the largest and most profitable retail businesses in India. Meanwhile, Jio, its digital services arm, has disrupted the telecom market with affordable data plans and extensive network coverage, making it a household name across the country. Next, Tata Consultancy Services, a global IT leader, is riding the tech wave like a pro. TCS is not just an IT services company. It's a global powerhouse that provides consulting, software development, infrastructure support, and business process outsourcing services. With a presence in over 46 countries, TCS is a key player in the global IT landscape. Third, HDFC Bank, known for its rock-solid performance and customer trust. HDFC Bank is one of India's leading private sector banks, offering a wide range of financial products and services. Its consistent performance, strong balance sheet, and customer-centric approach have earned it a reputation as one of the most reliable banks in the country. Fourth, Infosys, another IT titan, setting new standards in innovation. Infosys is renowned for its cutting-edge solutions in consulting, technology, and next-generation services. The company's focus on digital transformation, artificial intelligence, and automation has positioned it as a leader in the IT industry, both in India and globally. Finally, we have Hindustan Unilever, a staple in every Indian household with its trusted brands. Hindustan Unilever is a subsidiary of the British-Dutch company Unilever and is one of the largest fast-moving consumer goods companies in India. Its diverse portfolio includes well-known brands in personal care, home care, and food and beverages, making it an integral part of daily life for millions of Indians. These stocks aren't just names, they're game changers. Each of these companies has a unique story of growth, innovation, and resilience. They have not only weathered economic storms, but have also emerged stronger, setting benchmarks in their respective industries. Investing in these stocks means investing in the future of India's economy. So, what are you waiting for? The time to invest is now. By adding these stocks to your portfolio, you're not just making a financial decision, you're becoming a part of India's growth story. These companies are poised for continued success, and their stocks offer a great opportunity for long-term gains. Add these to your portfolio and watch your investments soar. The potential for growth is immense, and the rewards can be substantial. Don't miss out on the chance to be a part of this exciting journey. Remember, informed investing is the key to financial success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more top investment tips. See you next time. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on the best investment opportunities out there. Your financial future is just a click away.